What's up, YouTube? So today we got up at 4 a.m. to head down to the Everglades to do some camping and some fishing. We got all the way down there, which took us like 4 hours, and the mosquitoes were so bad, the campground owners told us it's not worth camping. He wouldn't recommend it. So we started to fish and we got ate up that quick. So we made the trip back up to Okeechobee. So we're going to do some camping and some fishing on Lake Okeechobee. I'm telling you, if you ever decide to make a trip down to Okeechobee, we're staying at the KOA campgrounds in Okeechobee. Super nice campgrounds. I highly recommend, if you're down this way, to check this place out. You know, Reactive Outdoors sent me a couple of tents to try out. It's supposed to be easy setup, easy tear down, like a two-step process. We're going to try it out. So what you do is you put this, the arrow pointing up, what you do is you put it with the arrow pointing up, it slides right in, and all you do is there's a button right down here. You just push the button. That simple. That easy. It's already full, pump shuts off by itself. There you have it. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We're going to try our luck bluegill fishing. Oh, there's already a fish on. What do we got? Ooh, it looks pretty nice. Look at that. That's a tilapia. There you go. That didn't take long. I mean, it's not our target species, but we'll definitely take it.
It's a fish.
Dang, I was about ready to rub it in. I'm going to kick her butt today. Look at that. Good job.
Thank you.
We literally just got our lines out, turn on the camera, boom. Oh, bobber's gone. We're on. First fish of the day. Feels like a nice one. Oh, I think we got big old tilapia. Oh yeah, tilapia. And of course I didn't bring a net. Actually, it's the second fish of the day.
Here's my fish.
Look at that.
It's not a competition.
Here we go. Nice fish. Here we go, look at that. Nice fish. Lucky for him, I'm not keeping anything today because these tilapias are good eating. Are we keeping this or no? All right, Mama says we're keeping this. We're going to keep it. We got a nice spot at the campgrounds. We're going to clean this bad boy. There you have it, man. What a start. A little update. We got 2 bluegill and 2 tilapia. Oh, I got a fish on here. Got a fish on. Oh, crap. I missed him. He literally took my rod even. Here yapping to you guys, I missed one. So anyways, we got 2 tilapia and 2 bluegill. And to be honest with you, I've only caught 1 of the 4. I had my chance right there and I screwed it up. But we've only been here maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes. All right, enough yapping. It's my turn to catch up. Whoop, we're on. What do we got? Oh, we got a first keeper bluegill. Oh, he swallowed the hook too. Not bad. It's not huge, but we'll take him. He'll clean, definitely. You know, we'll put him in with them 2 tilapia. You know, it's not been bad. We've been down here maybe 45 minutes and we've got 5 fish. And I get to spend the day with my wife, so you know what? Can't beat that. The setup I'm using a 5.5 foot ACC crappie stick with the size 1000 legacy reel and 6-pound test line. Real simple fish. I'm just using a little weighted bobber, a small hook, and a red worm. We're playing with different depths, anywhere between 2 feet and 10 feet. I'm telling you, this is another type of fishing. If you got kids or you don't have patience, this right here, this fishing's for you. Constantly moving your bobbers around. You know, you get enough bites to keep you busy. Oh, my bobber. My bobber. We're on. Oh, it feels like a nice fish. Might be another, oh, another tilapia. Nice. Get him in. Oh. I'll tell you what, these guys are fighting machines. Look at this. There we go. Not bad. A third one today. Again, not our target species, but we'll take them. All right, I'm gonna get him off and get him in the cooler. Well, we are heading back to the campgrounds. We ended up with 3 tilapias, 3 bluegill, in about an hour and a half. That's plenty enough for 2 people.
Definitely.
Now we're gonna head back, clean some fish, and cook some steak.
Enjoy the evening.
There you have it. Fish on.
Fish on. Cheers.
Made it back to the campgrounds. I want to share the fish cleaning house. Look at that. I'll tell you what, Okeechobee's pretty awesome, man. 'Cause I'll tell you what, some of the hotels I've stayed at actually has fish cleaning houses. Check this out. Nice and clean. Has 4 sinks, running water, spots to plug your electric knives in. It's screened in to keep the bugs off. There you have it, man. We're not gonna waste any time. We're gonna jump in to clean these fish. Here we go. Hopefully the big one now. How many of you guys actually eat tilapia? They sell them at your local grocery store. I fillet it just like I would fillet a crappie or anything else. Flip it over. Nice big old piece of meat. Look at that. Just like that. Just my wife and I. We got plenty of fish here for a meal. I'll just take the knife down, just go right around that rib cage. You know, I'm leaving just a little bit of meat around that rib, but that's all right. Like I said, this is plenty of fish for us.
All right, we're not catching and cooking today, but we are going to have a campfire steak, and I've already got zucchini on the grill. I'm going to season the steak. We're using Jack Daniel's steak seasoning. Mike and I will split this steak, and we will share the veggies as well. She's nice and hot, so it really shouldn't take that long.
All right, we got the steak cooking. Look at that, yummy. Come over here, check this tent out. I'm telling you, man, this tent is worth every penny. Reactive Outdoors, like I said, I got a 4-man and a 6-man. This is a 6-man. We have 2 blown up air mattresses in here. Look at all the room we still have over here. We have a fan, we could put another fan in here as well. You know, you can stand up, no problems. Well ventilated. Just all around well-made tent. So now what are we doing?
I am making some apples for dessert. It's just apples. These are Honeycrisp. Add a little brown sugar and put them over the fire.
Nice little dessert, huh?
Yep.
There you go. Tell you what, we are starving. 6 hours of driving today, probably an hour setting everything up here, another 2 hours of fishing. That's a full day for you. We're going to enjoy our food, have a cigar, and call it a night. Can't forget to show you what the apples look like. Cook them in the foil with brown sugar for maybe 30 minutes. That's really good. Maybe a little bit of Cool Whip would be nice, but I tell you what, this is really good. Day 2, we got everything loaded up. We're back down the canal. The only thing we're doing different today is we move closer towards the bridges where people have been catching bluegill. So hopefully today we get more bluegill. We're still fishing like 2 feet down and we're using 3 rods, so let's see what happens. Got him. Fish on. Might be the biggest shell cracker of the day. Oh, nice bluegill. Look at that. It's a nice fish right there. We maybe got like 8 or 10 of these a day. This is by far the nicest one. Here we go, man. Beautiful looking fish. Swallowed the hook. I'm gonna get him off, get him in the cooler, get my line back out. Oh, we're on. Get away from my other line. Oh. Here we go. Number 2, look at that one. Another nice one. This is why we're here, right here. Look how nice that one is. You know, that's as big as my palm. Perfect size bluegill. All right, we got a bite. Nope, we're on. I tell you what, this is definitely not a bluegill. It might be a tilapia. It might be a tilapia. Oh no, it's a catfish. There we go. Another species. Actually looks pretty healthy. All right. I wasn't expecting that. I really thought it was a tilapia. Here you go. Mwah. All right, we're on. I literally just cast this line out too. Another one for the box. There you go. I'm telling you, you know, if you're not familiar with my channel, I have a boat. You know, we have live scope on it. We have kayaks with spot lock. I'm telling you, sometimes coming back to what started me in fishing, you know, fishing from the bank, watching them bobbers, you know, fishing all day, and you go home at night and you close your eyes and you can still see them bobbers going under, you know, that's what brings me back. Stuff like this right here. All right, I'm gonna get this guy in the box and see if we can't get a few more. Oh, I got a bite. Got a fish on. Here we go, another one. Look at that. Look at all the marks on this fish. I wonder what that's from. Huh, he's pretty beat up. I want something grabbed him. But you know what? He's going in the cooler, so it doesn't matter. I wasn't really paying attention to that line. I looked over and I see my bobber taking off. Here you go. Another one for the box. Starting to sound like a broken record. A little update. We got, I think, 4 bluegill in the box. We caught that catfish, and we probably released another 8 bluegill. But we made a little change. What we did is now we're fishing 4 feet down, and that seemed to make a big difference. Oh, fish on. There we go. I'm telling you, by making that adjustment, dropping it from 2 foot to 4 foot, definitely made a change in our outcome. Getting better quality fish now for sure.
Ha ha ha, finally. Finally. Well, not the biggest, but it's blue.
Well, that is a wrap to an awesome weekend. We got ourselves some ice cream, we got a 2.5 hour ride home, and we have some major unpacking to do. I'll tell you what, we didn't catch a ton of fish, but we had a great time. You know, we found a new camping ground, we got to try out a new tent.
Avoided mosquitoes in the Everglades.
That was a ticket right there to a great weekend. Well, hope you guys enjoyed today's show. We appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you on the water.
There you go. I'm going to show you the difference between the 4-man and the 6-man tent. This is the 4-man, goes up the same way. You can still stand up in here. Everything's set up the same way, it's just a little bit smaller. There you go. Again, easy setup, easy takedown, and it's compact for easy storage. I'll show you the 6-man again. This is the 6-man right here. We really like the 6-man. We put 2 air mattresses in there and a couple of fans with no issues at all. Plenty of room. They tear down just as easy as they set up. You got 2 valves. You got a red one on this side. On the opposite side, you have a white one. All you have to do is just unscrew them. That simple. No poles to deal with. All you have to do is pull your stakes and deflate it. If you're interested in one of these tents, I'll put their link in the description below. Just click on the link and go over and order yourself a tent.